Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's the 29th of April, almost the end of the month, and I'm gonna go hang out with my hub. So if you want to see what look I create, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. So I do have this palette. I haven't really used it. I think I used like one shade in it. It's from Juvia's Place. It's the Candy Shop palette. So let's go ahead and just create something with this. So this is a T4. So I think I'm gonna go into this shade right here. This is from, so there's no names on the shades. So we're just gonna go for it. I don't know what look I'm trying to create. I'm just trying to do something. Just something cute. And simple. I don't know. I'm gonna try something real quick, and if it doesn't work, I'm just gonna take this off. Cause who knows? So this is actually from Urban Decay's Deep End. Oh, so that one in my eye. Just something cute. You know, sometimes like I get these boxes and then I kind of have like, oh, I'm like, oh, if I get a palette, I'm gonna do this look, just, and then I don't, and then I have to try to, you know, figure something out. This wing is jacked. Okay, I don't know. And let's see. And then this shade is Freak. Okay, so that's it. So I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back, and I actually just have like one eyeshadow and then a little design. We won't even talk about that. So let's jump into this foundation. So this is from Mercier, and it is their new foundation. It's the Real Flawless Weightless Perfecting Foundation. So first, let's prime. So I got this in my BoxyCharm or Ipsy box. It is Beauty for Certain, and it is Make It Bang Transparent Face Primer. So we're just gonna put it, well, I say a little bit and then I go with all this. So, and then I'm gonna go into my Flawless. I love when I have a nice clean brush. This looks light. Might be fine. This feels good. I like when I'm using a clean brush. Just smells so clean. But that's always the case. I'll be like using some dirty brushes. So this is from Jeffree Star. Oh, this might be dark. So this shade is C20. I feel like during the summer this just matches me better. No, it's like, ooh. So let's just leave this dry over here. and this one is C15. So we're gonna leave this dry for a bit, and then I don't know what contour situation I'm gonna use. Let's use this. This is from Rare Beauty. I don't think I like this. I don't know. I might have to like, let's blend this and see how it's gonna look first. So I'm gonna use this brush. This is an E5 from Morphe. I don't know if I like this. This is like kind of reddish. Kind of reddish. I don't know. Let's put a little Mario on the situation. So everything seems to be like really good on that foundation. I think that's a little bit better. So let's go ahead and blend out that concealer. And I'm using a slick brush. Okay, now I do have a blush I want to try from Miss Juvia's place. So I have two shades. I have Lily Love and Coral Rose. I think we're gonna try Lily Love today. So it looks like so. So I think I went a little heavy. Oh god. Oh god. Let's see how that's gonna turn out. This is from e.l.f. That might work. Ooh. So this probably it blends well, but ooh. So if you get these blushes, go in there with a light. With a lighthouse, because I did not. And if you guys are interested, it's actually pretty inexpensive. They're just $18. And are you seeing how pigmented these are? So you can, you know, don't use a lot, and you have blush for like a minute. So this is a lot of blush. I know, but it's all good. It's all good. So I did have my foundation in a different thingy because I did go on a little trip, and that bag is still needs to get unpacked. But I can just use my Fit Me like so, and then we're gonna go into my Laura Mercier powder. This is like almost done, but as I've said in my previous video, we are using every single bit of it. Every single bit. So just ignore my face, because it looks like a mess. For the rest of my face, I'm gonna use my Laura Mercier, but I'm gonna use, I don't know why this is not like wide like this. This is a 732 from Luxie, and then, oh no, it's not a 732, that's a 734, so that's a powder brush. Oh, the other one was a foundation brush. I haven't used it in such a while. Like, I was like, why aren't they all the same size? So I do want to use, if I can find it, so that mascara that was actually in my Boxy Charm, and it's from Milk Cosmetics. Let's put in some mascara on my lash. No mascara. Glue. Because I totally forgot. Oh, actually I didn't forget. Usually I do my mask. I put my lashes on when I go and do my other eye, but I wanted to test that mascara on camera just to see how it works. It's a lot of blush. What should I put in my waterline? I'm gonna put Demolution in there. And then I'm just gonna go in and buff it up with that shade that I have all over my lid. I wish these shades had names, but they don't. So we're just gonna, just gonna go with it. Windy. Oh my god, it's so windy in Texas today, like, or in Austin. I feel like my whole roof is going. Let's try this. This is a 215 from Plain Makeup by Yolondo. I don't know, I feel like this brush just kind of disappeared in the pen, or in this part. I feel like it was longer. I don't know what happened. This is from OPV, and I think I might try to use this, maybe. Let's use this foundation brush from Luxie, the 732. I use this brush. This is an E3 from Morphe, and then we're gonna go into this. This is from ABH. Just breaking this down a bit so it's not so red. This is F15 from Sigma. I'm gonna still go into this OPV, and I'm gonna go into this shade right here. I think this was really pigmented, maybe. This is from J-Cat, and it is Dolly Peachy, maybe. Let's try this. Oh no, this is a cream. Girl, you are about to mess up your whole stuff. But I do have another J-Cat, and this one is Love Struck. And for highlighter, let's use this. This is from Ofra Cosmetics. It's the Midi palette. I'm gonna use this center one right here. For lip today, I'm gonna use HBIC02 from Fenty. I've been trying to find this lipstick forever. So pretty. But we need a lip liner. We need something pink. Not pink, sorry, red. This is from Catrice and it is Prince Cherry. Okay, and then let's jump in this Fenty lip. Oh, but that might be too light. Isn't that crazy? Like one deep, that's all I need. Like one dip, and this looks so good. Okay, so that's it for this video. I really like how this look came out. It's kind of simple, you know, nothing crazy, but you know, I know sometimes I have to give not so crazy looks, right? So that's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys.
Money come and gone, let's get straight to it. Been a businessman, it's bigger than music. Eyes on a new building with like 8 units. What's for sale, I might buy it all. Don't wanna put in work, now you just wanna ball. Got Louis bags with no money in them. Bigger the lie, the harder they fall. Fast route, for me it's always been a cash route. Bag route, spend some money.